Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Michael Beaver. I'm owner of the company GCIS in North Germany, Kiel. Today I would like to introduce you my new software, WioPro, in link with the SSSG, which has been developed in my company as well. If the software is loaded, please activate this icon. A mask appears. Next step, press Start. Both engraving tools will be visualized, the stylus as well as the sliding shoe or sliding spindle. Next step is activate horizontal, press reset zoom, and you see two lines, a green and a violet one. With the green line, this is our reference line, move down with the upper scroll bar until the green line is corresponding with the tip of the stylus. Both lines have got a thickness of 1 micrometer only, so you can measure very precisely. Now you turn the sliding shoe clockwise until the sliding shoe is sitting above the tip of the stylus. Now with the lower scroll bar, move the violet line down until the violet line is corresponding with the surface of the sliding spindle, and you can read that the sliding spindle is now sitting about 6.5 micrometers higher than the tip of the stylus. That means the tip of the stylus is absolutely protected. You can start your test cut immediately without scratching lines with the unprotected stylus into the copper surface. These lines are really unwanted. Some clients, they position the sliding spindle 3.5–4 micrometers above the tip of the stylus. Some others are using 8 micrometers. It's different from company to company. Next step is to measure the stylus angle. Therefore, I activate the button stylus angle. An angle appears which we ignore at first, and the next step is to activate move center. A little yellow button or little yellow dot appears. I press with the right mouse button and I get the zoom in. I move down the scroll bar and now the yellow dot is a bit better visualized. Now I move the dot into the right position corresponding with the tip of the stylus. You can do it via click, or you can catch the slider directly. It's up to you. I prefer this way. Now the dot is corresponding with the tip of the stylus. Very important to deactivate move center, otherwise the dot is moving to the left side. Now you see an angle. I guess it could be a 130-degree stylus, so I activate 130-degree. I see it is a bigger one. Now the X2, at first I deactivate the zoom, the reset zoom. Now with the X2 tool I move into the right position. Then with the X1 into the other position, and I can read it is a 141-degree stylus. Not all the styli are precisely 140 or 130, 120. Some of them are 121, 119, 131, 131.5 and so on, because they are hand polished. Thank you very much for listening. That is the end of the introduction of the software in link with the SSSG.